Halogen family. Basically, group 17 elements are considered to be the halogens. The halogens are the elements that form group 17 of the periodic table. And basically, the halogens are located on the left of the noble gases on the periodic table. And the 5 toxic non-metallic elements which makes up the group 17 of the periodic table are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and astatine is artificially prepared radioactive element. So, when we talk about the physical properties of the halogen family or group 17 elements, the first thing we should know is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration for the valence shell is Ns2Np5. So individually, if we do the electronic configuration of different elements of the halogen family or group 17 elements, it is for fluorine, if we say it is helium 2s2 2p5. For chlorine, neon 3s2 3p5, and similarly for others. So, based on that, if we talk about the atomic size of group 17 elements, atomic size increases down the group as every time a new shell will be added when we are going down in the periodic table. And if we compare the size of group 17 elements with respect to group 16, then we will come to an analysis that group 17 is smaller because of the increased nuclear charge. And the size of the nucleus increases down a group, like fluorine is going to be lesser than chlorine, bromine, iodine, and this is the order because the number of protons and neutrons will increase. And in addition, if we talk, more energy levels are being added with each period, which will result in a larger orbital and hence larger or longer atomic size. So if we say halogens will have the smallest atomic radii in their respective period because of the maximum effective nuclear charge. And next, when we talk about the ionization energy of the halogen family, if the outer valence shell electrons are not near the nucleus, then it does not take much energy to remove them. Hence, the energy which will be required to pull off the outermost electron is not as high for the elements at the bottom of the group because there are more energy levels. So, the ionization enthalpy of halogens is very high and it will decrease as we move down the group. The iodine will also form I plus or I3 plus and it will form compounds like IEI, ICN, IP4. So basically in molten state the compounds will conduct electricity showing ionic character. So the first ionization energies are relatively high but that will also decrease as we are moving down the group. And next is the electron gain enthalpy. A long period it is more negative because of attraction towards electron as of increased nuclear charge. But when we are going down the group, electron gain enthalpy will keep on becoming less negative because the nuclear charge will decrease and the size. So group 17 will have highest electron gain enthalpy because of the smallest size in the periodic table, and the halogens will have the high value for electron affinity. So the order of their electron affinity is chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. So just because of their small size of fluorine, that is high, it will have high electron density, the extra electrons will be added which will feel more electron-electron repulsion and therefore we could say that fluorine has less value for electron affinity compared to chlorine. So this is the reason we say that chlorine has more electron affinity compared to fluorine. And electronegativity. The number of valence electron in an atom will basically increase down the group because of the increase in energy level at lower levels. So electronegativity will be decreasing down the group and the order is here. So group 17 elements are more electronegative if we compare it to group 16 because of their small size of your group 17 elements. And there are certain more physical properties of group 17 elements which we should know, like the melting point and boiling point. The melting point and boiling point will increase down the group because the size and the mass will increase, and the van der Waals force will also increase because the melting point and boiling point is going to increase. Hence, we could say that since the van der Waals forces are increasing, melting and boiling point will also increase. And the next property, if we talk about the color, basically all the halogens are colored elements. So that happens because they absorb light in the visible range, forming excited state, and hence they are existing as colored in nature. For example, if we check for fluorine, the color of fluorine is dull yellow. Chlorine, it is greenish yellow. Bromine, it is reddish brown. Iodine, it is violet in color. So the few more physical properties are like solubility. Halogens are soluble in water and the basic order is, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. If we talk about density, it will increase down the group in a regular fashion and it follows the order as fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So basically, being very reactive in nature, halogens are not found free in nature. So their presence in earth crust also follows an order, that is F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2. And in this, the intermolecular forces in halogens are weak and it increases down the group. So fluorine and chlorine are going to exist as gases. Bromine is volatile liquid and iodine is solid. So these are all the few physical properties of halogen. If we discuss about the oxidation state, they show variable oxidation state. So higher oxidation state of halogens are used when they are combining with small size high electronegative ions. And all halogens act as Lewis acid because they have the tendency of accepting electron, and fluorine is considered to be the most strong oxidizing agent among all. Hence, these are all the physical properties of halogen family, which is very important to learn. We should know about the physical properties of different elements belonging to group 17.